Hello. For many of us, it was a brighter end to Monday than the rather dreary start that many of us had to the working week. Clear spells, that leads into for many for the first half of the night, but we are looking at cloud increasing and wet weather pushing in from the west later on. Here's the big picture. You can see this big swirl of cloud. That's an area of low pressure. The UK is under here, but we also have this line of cloud waving out into the Atlantic, and that is a waving weather front, which will control our weather for much of the week. In fact, these little weather fronts pushing towards us overnight will bring cloud and rain, as I said, into many western areas by dawn on Tuesday. Before that arrives, some patchy rain to clear the east, and then, as I said, many of us will have clear spells for a time, but always quite murky and dull and cloudy across the southwest, and we'll see further rain pushing into South Wales, southwest England, western parts of Scotland overnight. Tonight it'll be a mild night in the south, a little cooler where the skies remained clearest across the north and east. A hint of brightness here then on Tuesday morning, but for most it's another rather grey start to the working day. This is the scene at rush hour for outbreaks of rain across North Wales, northwest England, much of Scotland too, and parts of Northern Ireland. Now, as we go through the day, Northern Ireland will again cheer up, and actually the rain will steadily pull away from Scotland. But cloud and outbreaks of rain set to linger for a good part of the day across northwest England, much of Wales too. Further south, many places will be dry. A lot of cloud, but we could see some breaks in the cloud and a bit of sunshine. The temperatures will really jump up. A mild day in the south. Further north, some sunny spells developing and temperatures getting up to respectable values of 13 to 15 Celsius. Quite blustery at times across the far northwest, where there will be more showers through Tuesday afternoon and evening. And this central zone just keeps the cloud and further outbreaks of rain through Tuesday night, potentially pushing into parts of southern Scotland. Now, that band of rain does tend to then sink south, it looks like, on Wednesday. Some uncertainty about whether it actually clears the south. It may just stay pretty dull and drab here. But elsewhere, bar a few showers again in the far northwest, most places looking dry and bright on Wednesday. And actually, that is one of the main themes this week. Certainly compared to last week, it's a lot calmer. Many of us will see some sunny spells, staying relatively mild, at least for most of this week, but there are some signs it will turn colder as we go into the weekend. Now, for more on that, you can visit us online, download our app, or watch our YouTube channels.